Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Montpelier, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of long-distance movers will get you to where you need to go by offering the following options: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When it's time to move 100 miles away, 1,000 miles away, or 2,000 miles away, we can help make it easier. Let us take the care of the stress of moving. Then you can worry about the other things you need to do when relocating a few states over or across the country. Getting the right Idaho moving company to help you with your local move, it seems manageable until you realize you need to pack up everything and load it into a truck. Then, when you arrive at your new location, everything has to be unloaded and unpacked. This hard work can be handled by the right professionals if you prefer. 3 men and a truck can take care of all that work for you. We streamline the process to save you time and energy, plus you don't have to worry about any type of injury from the heavy lifting. We can help you with a large move in less than just one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Montpelier moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.